Have you ever started screen sharing on Discord, only to realize your friends can see your screen but can't hear any audio? Or maybe the screen share begins normally but suddenly freezes, stutters, or disconnects in the middle of a stream. This problem has become more common in 2026 because of changes in audio routing, browser security, and hardware acceleration conflicts. The good news is that most Discord screen share issues are caused by simple settings that can be fixed in a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to restore screen share audio and prevent the stream from stopping unexpectedly using a quick checklist. What this video will fix. In this guide, we're going to fix the two most common Discord streaming issues: screen share stopping randomly and screen share with no audio. These problems usually occur when Discord cannot properly capture system audio, when the wrong window is being shared, or when hardware acceleration conflicts with your graphics drivers. We'll start with the simplest fixes first, like selecting the correct screen share mode and checking audio capture settings. Then we'll move to slightly more advanced solutions like disabling hardware acceleration or resetting Discord's voice settings. By the end of this video, you should be able to share your screen smoothly with working audio in Discord calls or servers. Step 1. Share the application, not the entire screen. One of the biggest reasons Discord screen share has no sound is because the wrong sharing mode is selected. When you share your entire screen, Discord often cannot capture application audio. Instead, choose the specific application window you want to share. For example, if you're streaming a game, browser, or video player, select that application directly from the screen share menu. When you choose the application instead of the full screen, Discord can attach to the audio output of that program. This allows viewers to hear sound properly during the stream. Step 2. Enable stream audio in Discord. Discord includes a small toggle called Sound or Stream Audio in the screen share window. If this setting is disabled, viewers will see your screen but hear nothing. When you start screen sharing, check the bottom of the window where Discord asks you to confirm the stream settings. Make sure the audio sharing option is turned on before clicking Go Live. This setting is easy to miss, especially if you start sharing quickly. Always confirm that audio streaming is enabled before starting your screen share. Step 3. Check your Discord audio output device. Sometimes Discord cannot capture audio because it is listening to the wrong output device. This often happens when you switch between speakers, headphones, or Bluetooth devices. Open Discord settings, go to Voice and Video, and check the output device setting. Make sure the correct speakers or headphones are selected. If the wrong device is selected, Discord may not capture the system audio properly, which leads to silent streams. Step 4. Restart Discord completely. Discord sometimes fails to capture audio correctly if it has been running for a long time in the background. Restarting the app can refresh the audio capture system. Close Discord completely, including the background process in the system tray. Then reopen the application and start screen sharing again. This simple restart often fixes temporary bugs that cause screen share audio to fail. Step 5. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can improve performance, but it can also cause streaming issues on certain systems. When enabled, Discord relies more heavily on the GPU to render streams. Open Discord settings, scroll down to Advanced, and toggle hardware acceleration off. Restart Discord after making this change. If your screen share previously froze or stopped randomly, disabling hardware acceleration may stabilize the stream. Step 6. Update your graphics driver. Outdated graphics drivers are another common reason screen sharing stops or lags. Discord uses your GPU to encode and transmit the video stream. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and check your graphics card. Visit the manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver. After installing the updated driver, restart your computer and test screen sharing again. Step 7. Run Discord as administrator. On some systems, Discord cannot capture audio from certain applications due to permission restrictions. To fix this, close Discord completely and right-click the Discord shortcut. Select Run as administrator, then start your screen share again. Running Discord with elevated permissions can allow it to capture audio from programs that were previously restricted. Step 8. Reset Discord voice settings. If audio issues continue, resetting Discord's voice settings may help. Open Discord settings, go to Voice and Video, and scroll down to the bottom. Click Reset Voice Settings, then confirm the reset. This clears audio routing conflicts and restores default settings. After resetting, reselect your microphone and output device before starting another screen share. Step 9. Check internet connection. Screen sharing requires a stable internet connection. If your network is unstable, the stream may freeze or stop automatically. Try switching to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. This can significantly improve streaming stability. If Ethernet isn't available, move closer to your router or close other apps that may be using bandwidth. Step 10. Last resort, reinstall Discord. If none of the previous steps worked, reinstalling Discord can remove corrupted files or outdated components. Uninstall Discord from your system, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. Once installed, log back into your account and test screen sharing again. After completing these steps, start a test screen share in a private call or server channel. Confirm that your viewers can both see the screen and hear the audio clearly. If the stream runs smoothly and audio works, the issue has been resolved. Most users find the problem is related to sharing the wrong window or audio capture settings. To recap, Discord screen share problems usually happen because of incorrect sharing settings, audio device conflicts, hardware acceleration issues, or outdated drivers. By checking these areas step by step, you can restore screen sharing and audio quickly without reinstalling your entire system. If this guide helped you fix your Discord screen share, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Tech Fix Guides for more easy step-by-step tech fixes. And in the comments, tell me which step solved your problem so it can help other viewers facing the same issue.